What's up guys, Chris here for GQ37. Just doing the cabin air filter here on my wife's Lexus RX 350. This is a 2022 model. So to get to the cabin air filter, it's way easier on these than my Infinity. You're going to squeeze in both sides of the glove box. I'm going to use my other hand here. You're going to squeeze in and pull down. All right, like so. That's going to reveal the door to the cabin air filter. Pull both of these tabs up. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but anyway, there we go. You're gonna have that door. You're just gonna pull this open, and there's your cabin air filter. Notice it says it's pointing up. That's important. Some vehicles point down. This one points up. This one's the first time I've ever changed this since we got it. We got it certified pre-owned with 5,000 miles on it. Now we have 20,000 miles on it, and so a little bit of stuff in there. Not too bad. But that tray, you can pop the filter out. I got a 2-pack on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, but you can type in your make and model, and then you're just going to follow directions with the arrow, the airflow. So we'll pop this out, and see, it says up, following the direction of that. So we're just going to follow those same directions with this and put it back together in reverse order. Alright, so taking this other one out, put the new one in, even though it really didn't look bad, it's probably fine. So, showing up and up there. I'm just going to slide this in like so. Put that back in there, just push it in all the way as far as it'll go, because it like almost hesitates, and then you can push it just a little bit more, and then you can close this door back. Then we can put this back up. The tabs at the very top slide in first. Like so. And then you're just going to line up both of these onto there. Put those back on. Push. And we're done. Hopefully that's helpful to somebody. If so, leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.